Today we're going to make a delicious and authentic tasting Doner Kebab using this pack of spices from Tongmaster Seasonings. To get started, all we need is one packet of seasoning, 850 grams of lamb mince, which contains between 15 to 25% fat content, and just a little bit of water. Add the seasoning. Next, add 50 milliliters of cold water, as cold as possible. Now mix in the ingredients and keep mixing until all of the seasoning and breadcrumbs are evenly distributed within the meat. And here we have it, quite sticky and ready to go. Even at this stage it's starting to smell delicious like a kebab. Now transfer your seasoned meat to a bread tin and flatten down the meat as best you can. Make sure it gets into all of the sides and there are no air pockets at the bottom. Preheat your oven, and this goes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, gas mark 4, into the centre of the oven for approximately 25 minutes. Now turn out the kebab and wrap in foil, then bake in the oven for another 30 minutes. For a lovely homemade chilli sauce, use some garlic mayonnaise and sriracha mixed together in a bowl. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to cool a little bit. Let's see how it looks. Cut as thin as possible for authentic kebab. Wow, this looks and smells amazing.